Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eric and Love Simple Food. So guys, today I'm going to make some salt, mackerel and fried dumpling for breakfast. So guys, even though they said salt, mackerel is low sodium because I'm going to boil out all the salt out of this mackerel. So, come along with me guys. Yes guys, so I throw off the first water that I boiled the mackerel in. And now I put fresh water. I put fresh water now to boil it out another time. Make sure I get out all the salt out of the mackerel. Yes guys, so these are the vegetables that I'm gonna put in my mackerel. So this is tomato, onion, and sweet pepper. Tomato, I got that from my garden. So this year I plant my own garden stuff guys. So I'm using up the tomatoes that I got with the onion and sweet pepper to fry up the mackerel. And this is the dough that I already made for the fried dumpling. Yes guys, so there goes the dough already. So as soon as I'm putting them in the pot, you will see how I flatten out the dumpling. It's like flatten out the dumpling like this guys. So this is how you flatten out the dumpling to the dough to fry it. I'm using I'm holding my phone guys. This is what you do before you fry the dumpling. So okay guys. Nice guys, so the mackerel is still boiling. Because I have to boil out all the salt out of it. Because I'm low sodium. So guys, now I'm gonna put the oil in the pot. Fry the dumpling. You don't need a lot of oil, guys. So I'm making the oil hot. After the oil is hot, then I'm gonna put in the oil. Yes guys, so I'm gonna use some of this Grace coconut milk powder to fry up the mackerel. So before you take out the dumpling guys, you turn them a couple times to make sure they are soaked. Have the baking powder in it guys, and baking powder and yeast, so that's how you put it. Like when you're making fried dumpling, you have to put baking powder or yeast in it. So I put like a teaspoon of baking powder and a dash of yeast and some salt. That's it. And I put a little sugar. That's it. So this is the salt mackerel guys. So now I'm gonna put some cold water on it and pick it up and take out all the bones. Yes guys, so the mackerel is still salt, so I'm gonna put some fresh water and then I'm gonna put it back on the stove to boil. So this is still salt, so I'm just gonna put it back on the stove and let it boil out a little bit more. Yes guys, so these are the dry seasoning that I will be putting on my mackerel, plus the Grace coconut powder. Yes guys, so I boil the mackerel a second time and I pour out all the water. So now all the water is draining off the mackerel. So now I'm gonna fry up the mackerel. Guys, I pour off most of the oil. I use the same oil I use to fry the dumplings, but I pour off the oil, the excess oil, because I don't want too much oil. I don't want too much oil, so I pour off most of the oil. So now I'm gonna fry this up. So yes guys, so now I'm gonna put some coconut powder, coconut milk powder. So this is gonna taste like rundown or taste like coconut. They're gonna give a nice flavor. Coconut gonna give it a nice flavor. So guys, now I'm gonna put my dry seasoning, no salt. This is dash, no salt. Garlic powder. Put some black pepper. Just a little bit of black pepper. Yes, the Mrs. Dash have black pepper in it already. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika. This is some jerk seasoning. That's some thyme leaf, dry thyme leaf. Just mix everything together. Now I'm gonna put the mackerel in. guys, so this is it. So it's fried dumpling with salt mackerel, and I have some cucumber on the side. So guys, if you like my content, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.